Here is few rooms, few bedrooms, and I already checked this floor. So from this crack and floor sloping down from the entrance to this side and from here too. So if we put straight edge, you can see how it's sloping down. So here is the flat. It's also going in the closet. If you see, and then if we go into another room, for example here, so and we will put straight edge. You can see how it's here sloping down to the bathroom. It's not too bad because when I level the floor here, so guys who doing tiles, they can match floor with tiles, make it even. It's not a problem, just make it as mortar. So what I want to do now, I want to put here drywall pieces to block this entry, and also this bathroom, this here is the laundry. I want to block here. Need to level by the backs and turn to the washroom, level this room, level by the Z-backs, this hallway. Also I have to come to this room too by this crack. You see, when I slide the straight edge, it's make marks. This is high spot and this is going down. So let's go. First of all, I wanna put foam. I have foam, I have staples, and I have a staple gun. So let's go. Now I have to block doors. And for it I wanna use this drywall. I found drywall pieces. And just waste. Why I'm using drywall? Because with drywall very easy to block. Oops. And then drywall easy to remove. I already put this drywall and put caulk on the bottom to avoid leaking here and there. It doesn't matter how you put it, you know. I just, it was broken pieces, I just connect two pieces together. Here's maybe 1.5 liter, and I just want to add same amount of primer, maybe less because I need more water for better penetration with concrete. So now it's okay, we can start prime the floor. Don't scared to put more primer because it's protecting from new concrete will stick. I put primer, foam, and block the bathrooms and laundry. So now we need to install tripods. Because floor is not really even, with straight edge for so long way, it's impossible to level it. So easiest way is this is tripod. So first of all, I start a level room or where the floor sloping to the bathroom. Very easy to do it with straight edge because whole floor is flat and just need to slide the straight edge, hold the way, and self-loading compound will stop on front of the bathroom and entrance where I put piece of drywall. For walking in the hallway area where there was deepest spot, I'm using spike shoes. And this area too big and so many small places which need to connect. That's why, first of all, I do the leveling with straight edge, and then I roll it out with spike roller, this part. Then I'm going on the middle of the room, you will see it, and then to another room, hallway, one more room. So when I level all these places separate, no, I mean one by one, then I will roll it out with spike roller hold this place. You see, it's very hard work in so narrow place in these hallways, and also manage how much self-filling compound I have to put. It's not easy, but these tripods help me to do it very precise, because I just when set up tripods I need to put self-filling compound just for to the bottom plate on each tripods. Links to these tripods you can find in description for this video. Also, if you wanna buy 12 tripods, you can get spike shoes and spike roller for free. Now I'm doing final rolling out with spike roller. I just roll whole place what I level. I got very good result with professional tools. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.